like to welcome you guys to County Fair Disc Golf Course. I'm hoping this is a hidden gem, guys. Yeah, it's quite beautiful out here. Let's get some scenery before we head back and see if we can find us a walking trail. Alright, this place is for Frisbee Golf. I've never tried that. I mentioned Angie one time. I said, we should try this one time. So maybe one day we will. But that's what this place is mostly of. And there's people on the course right now, so I'm not exactly sure how much we're going to be able to get of it. And not to mention, our feet are pretty much destroyed. Since we didn't wear our hiking boots, we've already sunk down into the mud and almost lost my shoe back there. So yeah, we're going to walk around a little bit more, kind of get some more, and you know what, for the rest of this video, I'm just going to talk. We got some beauty on here, we just talk the rest of it, because, honestly, oh, I'm right in the mud now. Well, it's a hidden gem, but it's more so if you get into Frisbee golf, and I can't say a lot about that, guys. I've never tried it. Have you all? I tell you what I want to do, though. I like to come back here and hike this once I have my hiking boots. You know, at least hike around the course. Right now, when we pulled in, there's a couple cars here, so there's people playing on the course, and I don't want to interrupt them. You guys can understand that, right? So it's kind of like, you know, get a little bit of shots here, a little bit of shots there. Come on, girl. And let's head back towards the car. Yeah, I will go further, but no hiking boots, and I don't want to interrupt anybody else on the course, especially with Stormy at hand, because everybody she sees, she has to be a bully. That's my dog for you. Yeah. Naturally aggressive. And naturally, I shouldn't say this. I was going to say stupid, but I shouldn't say that. Sometimes she could be good. What you see, girl? Huh? Yeah, them are people playing. They're friendly. They're nice people. They're playing Frisbee golf. We would go say hi, but all you want to do is bite them, right? Huh? Yeah, I'm talking to you, girl. I'm talking. Stormy, sit. Sit. Good girl. Yeah, look at her. She's like all paying attention. I have to say, if you're into... Oh, I don't know if she's stopping because she has to go poo or what. So I'm looking at the monitor, or the GoPro. But if you're into Frisbee golf, this looks like a really nice place to go. It really does. We should really try it someday. You know, maybe try it, then videotape it the next time we try it. That way we don't look like total idiots. I have not flown a Frisbee, oh my Lord, in 12 years. The last time I flown a Frisbee, I was throwing it and I had a dog going and grabbing it, and then I had to stop because it was cutting the dog's mouth up. You know, because it has sharp ends on the Frisbee, and I felt really guilty for that. Alright, right now we are walking through the thick mud, and I have my everyday shoes on. You know, it's funny, before we came out for these adventures, I thought they would be walking trails that were paved. And I told Angela, we won't need no hiking boots, we got this. They're going to be paved walking trails, especially this place. I thought for sure it would be. No, we will come back here and do the trail and do it justice. Yeah. But right now, this is what you got. It looks like more people have showed up, actually. When we come back with our hiking boots one day, we'd hike all the way down through that way. We would do the whole trail. Well, the whole Frisbee golf trail. But right now, we're just kind of peeking it out and seeing what we can see, and we're still trying to figure out what that building right there is all about. We have no clue. Maybe next time we come back, they have more to it. Alright guys, I want to apologize for the short video today. I honestly thought I could do this more justice. And also when we come back, I think we might be allowed. we're going to go on down that road too and see where it goes. But I thought there'd be more to it, and it's my fault I didn't bring my hiking boots. And like I said, there's people on the course playing. So when we come back, maybe we have to come back without Stormy. But guys, until next time, leave me comments. Do you play Frisbee golf? And if you do, how do you play it? I may have to watch some YouTube videos on it and get a decent Frisbee in. Maybe Angie and I might get into this. Maybe this spring and summer, we might play some Frisbee golf. I don't know. It looks like fun. Until then, come on. Let's get out of here. We'll catch you on our next adventure.